read Shurley method, page 1, exercise 1, and this will be part 1 of the recording. Put written marks in abbreviations for each kind of sentence. Our house is on fire. So would that just be a statement? Would you be excited? Would that be a question? Exclamatory. So we would put exclamation mark and an E. Close the door on your way out. Imperative because it's a what? Command. The snow has been falling since early morning. Declarative because it's just a statement, right? Where are you going in such a hurry? Interrogative, so question mark. Do you know the girl who won the art contest? Question mark. Hand me the pencil in the left-hand drawer. Imperative, because it's a command. Grandma uses a quilt on her bed on very cold nights. Declarative, because it's just a statement. Our sofa needs to be reupholstered. Declarative, it's a statement. The killer was in the bushes in front of me. Exclamatory sentence. We're excited. Our team is the one with the orange jerseys. Declarative. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do 1 and 2 of the sentences as well in this recording. So write one of each kind of the sentences listed below. Write the correct punctuation and abbreviation that identifies it at the end. Use the abbreviations D, INT, E, or INP. Okay? So what we do? So declarative sentence is what? It's just a statement, right? Just say Bob ran after the cat. Okay. So Bob ran after the cat. And we put a period and then a D. Okay, to represent that it's a declarative sentence. Interrogative, what kind is interrogative? It's a question, right? Okay, can you pass me the peanut butter? And then that's a question mark, right? And then INT for interrogative.